is yearning for you. Yeah, I don't give a fuck now. All these niggas wanna fuck now. Always tryna keep in touch, but now they gon' need to be.
Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is gonna be with the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon case. If you want to know how to achieve this look, keep watching. Hey y'all, back again with another video for my honeybees. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and share to your people. Alright, so I know I haven't really been posted a lot. I've been really busy. However, I have been getting a lot of requests to do the Watch Me Blush palette, so I finally got it. Alright, so I bought the Watch Me Blush palette, and I got the Private Party lip gloss, and I got the Rosary Glorez. Okay, so this is gonna be like I bought these products because they were in their bundle for the breast cancer. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm just gonna unpackage this. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so y'all know I've already done my eyebrows per usual. And let's see. No need to swatch because y'all know we already got the Crayon case palette. So this one I believe is like $18. But it does come with a mirror, which I do definitely appreciate. So we're gonna do everything on this particular palette today. I'm not gonna use no other palette. I'm just gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use the new highlight, and I'm gonna use the lip gloss. So let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyes with the concealer. We're gonna use the Revolution C6. I can get it open. I bought these drawers to help me maneuver my makeup brushes because I have so many. Okay, so and I bought the brush cleaner from Crayon case too. All right, so let me open this because I'm pretty sure I'll be switching through colors. All right, so I'm gonna go in with. By the way, I have no idea. I did not pre-plan this look, so I'm just gonna go in. Alright, so I was like, I didn't have this on here at first. I guess it was stuck on the mirror. Alright. So I'm gonna go in here with the cranberry look. I always dig my nail in a color. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the cranberry here. Oh wow. I thought the Crayon case was pigmented. Nope. just rub it across here. Next color that we're going to take, we're going to go in with the tangerine color on this palette. And we're going to go right above here. And we're going to go right above. All right, let me get my compact mirror so y'all can see as well. Okay. And you're gonna wanna blend that tangerine color into the cranberry. Make sure that your brush cleaner is open because you're gonna need it so that you're not mixing the colors too much. You want to blend for your life. See that there's a you see that there's a tangerine, you see there's the cranberry right there. And then I'm gonna go in, and we're gonna should have used tape, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna go in here with the berries right here, which is the berries color. I'm gonna put that on the outer and I'm gonna blend inward. Oh my God, let's hope we got enough concealer to cut this crease, y'all. I just want you to be able to see it. And I'm just gonna blend it like a little up. Like right there. I'm not gonna do any more because I don't want it to be all in the mix of these colors. Alright, so far this is what you should have on your eye. Should have it. And then the color that we're going to cut the crease with is going to be this strawberry cream and old banana is what we're going to use. Remember how I told you to cut the crease, look up if you don't know where your crease is. Okay, so first with the strawberry cream, as I mentioned, we're going to be using these two colors. This is the strawberry cream and this is the old banana to go into that cut crease. And we're going to use the same brush and then we're going to use our brush cleaner to clean it off. Alrighty. Oh, look at the pigment on that. Okay. Alright, so when you go into those shimmer colors, you don't need that much. And I'm just going to pat this in. You want the ends to be darker where that crease is, just go like this. Like take the brush, but point it down. Point it down like this, so that it blends with that outer. And now we're gonna go in with Old Banana. And that Old Banana color is like really, really light. So you're gonna have to pack that, not that much, but yeah, if you want the gold to show, you're gonna have to pack that sucker on there. Should currently look like. And now we're just gonna go ahead and clean it up with the concealer. As you know, I usually use the LA concealer, but I have no idea what it is. Alright, so we're just finishing up everything. Baking, about to put them lashes on. I'm just gonna let that bake. And then we're gonna go ahead and put these lashes on, baby. And the lashes that I'm using today, I will leave the link below, and you can also use my code YELLOWHONEY to get 20% off of your purchase. I use this new highlight, which I know I'm gonna have to open. Oh my god, it's gonna be so messy. Okay. Oh my god. I know you. Oh my god. Okay, I think I might have to retire that gold. Oh my god. The last thing that we're going to do is use the lip gloss. I don't have a liner because they still are out of stock on those, but this one is called the Private Party. And this liner is Ruby Kisses, so I probably got it from the hair store. And this is what it looks like. Yep. so glad I lined my lips. Hey. Watch me blush for a win. Yes. Let me just set my face with this Revolution Pro Fix. Who that? And let me just gloat this week.